Neem powder at home, benefits of neem powder, how to use neem powder for face and hair. Yes friends, today's video is about homemade neem powder and its uses for skin and hair. Neem powder has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Neem powder can be used to treat various skin problems like pimples, rashes, prickly heat, etc. Neem powder can make your skin clear, glowing and flawless. For oily skinned people, neem is a boon. It is a magical herb because it not only cures pimples and acne but can also absorb the excess oil from the skin. Antibacterial and antifungal properties of neem powder helps to keep hair and scalp healthy. In short, neem powder is an excellent remedy to treat various skin and hair problems. Let's see how to make neem powder at home. Get some fresh neem leaves. Wash these leaves at least twice in fresh running water. Drain the excess water in any strainer. Now dry them in sun. Actually, it will take about 3 to 4 days to dry out completely. When these leaves become crispy, then grind them to a fine powder. You can dry these leaves in microwave also. After rinsing, place these leaves on a newspaper or take a towel and dry these leaves between the towel or paper napkin to absorb extra water. Place these leaves in the microwave in a glass container. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes to dry completely. Check them every minute to make sure that they don't get burned. Here I have dried these leaves in sun. As you can see, these are dried, fully dried and have become crispy. Here I want to give you one tip. After drying for 3-4 days in sun, still you feel these are not crispy, then microwave these dried leaves for a minute. Put them in the grinder and grind. That's it. Your neem powder is ready. Neem powder can also be found at different Ayurvedic stores, but as I always say, fresh ingredients are the most effective. I would suggest to store this neem powder in any airtight glass container. Benefits of neem powder. Neem powder is very effective in treating acne as well as blackheads because of its antibacterial properties. Neem powder effectively cures dandruff, lice and other scalp problems. It can reduce acne marks and scars and sun tanning too. Neem powder is a strong natural blood purifier. How to use neem powder for skin. Here I have shown how to get glowing complexion with neem. 1 teaspoon of neem powder, 1 teaspoon of rose petal powder, 1 teaspoon of curd and a few drops of milk. Mix properly. The skin glowing pack is ready. Apply a thick layer of this pack. Let it dry for 20 minutes. Wash off with plain water and you will get fair, clean, glowing and crystal clear complexion. My second DIY pack with neem is to cure acne and pimples. Mix a teaspoon of neem powder with equal quantities of tulsi powder and a teaspoon of multani mitti or fuller's earth and make a paste using rose water. Apply this paste on your face, especially on pimple affected areas. Let it dry and wash off with plain water. It will take about 20 minutes. Use this pack thrice a week for best results. How to use neem powder for hair. Let's see how neem can be used to treat dandruff. Make a paste of neem powder mixed with water. For this, take 2 tablespoons of neem powder, add in filtered water to make a paste. Now add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, mix well. Apply this paste on the scalp to cure dandruff. Leave this paste on the scalp for an hour and then shampoo. Second pack with neem is to treat lice and itchy scalp. Make a paste of neem powder and water and massage your scalp with this mixture. Leave on for about 1 hour, then rinse off with a good herbal shampoo. This is the best treatment for lice and also cleanses the scalp thoroughly, thus treats itchy scalp also. So friends, include neem in your skincare routine and hair care routine and you will certainly feel an amazing change in your skin and hair texture. So friends, that's all for today. Hope you like this video and I'll see you very soon with another such useful DIY video. Till then, take care and love yourself. Bye.